one, go.
Hi, I'm Ingrid Lorenzana, and I've been in private practice in the west suburbs of Chicago for the past 15 years. I want to invite you to this year's American Academy of Optometry meeting, where I will be lecturing on the topic of dry eyes as it relates to children. We are all aware that about 30 million people in the U.S. suffer from dry eye disease. However, this number is only reflective of those who are already having symptoms. If we really focus on the number of those who are actually at risk, the numbers are more like 150 million, and this number significantly includes children. Also, given the fact that we can't use the traditional technologies that are currently available for dry eye disease in children, we have to be more proactive and use a more preventative approach. I like to share with you my integrative health approach that I've developed in the treatment for dry eye in children. So please join me. I look forward to seeing you there.